Hello and welcome to the ranch. Today is cutting day. This is a day that we never look forward to. It's tough, but it's part of farming. Sometimes it can be difficult, especially today, because we have a little bit tighter bond with Peter. And Peter is on the block today to be
castrated.
He will no longer be a boar.
He will be a barrow.
Which means he no longer has testicles. This is our warning that if you have a sensitive stomach,
or you don't like to see stuff like this,
then now's the time to turn it off, or
click a video right here.
Monica put a nice, sweet little video up there.
Babies or something.
But this is the reality of farm life, and sometimes life is hard on the ranch. And it's interesting because the other day I was reading someone's post, and they said that they like to see the ups and downs. And so this is one of the ones that it's a down because of what you have to do, but it's a up when you realize that you know how to make this happen. So again, this is our disclaimer to you, that if you have a weak stomach, now's the time to click up there on another video or skip to the end where I'm sure we'll have some outtakes of some sort. So,
let's get to it.
Snippity snip.
So to castrate the piglets, there are a couple things we use. Of course, I put on rubber gloves right away. I will have some water and some paper towels to clean the area, but then I get down to the business, and what I need first is some iodine spray. And what I'll do is use iodine spray. I will use Alu Shield, which is an aerosol bandage, which definitely looks kind of worn and gross, but that's because I'm usually grabbing it in a hurry. And a handy dandy razor blade. This is what I need. These are the three critical elements for what I'm doing with the pigs when I castrate. So first I did water.
Let's talk over it.
And now I'm going to do the iodine. Nice and clean.
And what we would usually cut their nuts out, what, like week 4 or something, week 5?
Yeah, and these guys are, this has already been cleaned with iodine.
What is
sprayed down.
Aren't they like?
They're 7 weeks old.
And what are you using?
I'm using a razor blade, just a typical razor blade. Sprayed it with iodine. And I already did iodine here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my finger here to put pressure on it to see how long of a cut I need to make. I'm gonna make 2 cuts. I'm gonna make a cut straight down, and I'm gonna pop them through each one, okay? So, there's a membrane there you gotta cut through without cutting the actual testicle. And then you can bust it through. Gotta get that membrane cut through there so it'll pop right out.
If you do the hole too big, they'll just start to bleed like crazy, right? Or
Yeah.
if you do it too small,
It just takes more work. So I try to keep it, nice and tight of a cut. I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna pull it out till I see right there. Kind of give it a little bit of this. Cut. Now I'm gonna get the other one. I'm gonna try to work fast. Since I know it doesn't feel good, it's obvious. I'm gonna do the same thing here.
Ooh, good.
Pop it out.
That was a quick one.
Pull. And you're gonna see a lot of blood. But just don't let go. And then quick cut. Now we're gonna quickly spray it again with iodine. And we'll just spray it with some aerosol bandage. and then we'll let them go. Go ahead. And then we're gonna take them back over with their mama.
And you can see that after the cutting, he's okay. He's more concerned about eating leftovers. There's one of the other boys. So typically after the cutting, we make sure that they have plenty of food and drink. And this is the back end, which is good because there's 2 little holes that will heal up. No blood, which is good. And sometimes if there is blood, that's okay. They heal up pretty quick. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. I don't want to say that we enjoyed making it, and I don't know that I want to ask you if you've enjoyed it, but nonetheless, this is a video that is truly informational. We wanted to put this up for people who may not know how to, as we've tried to make our channel a channel where you can go to learn about all sorts of things about the ranch. And so what you saw there is not necessarily the only way, but it is a way to get the job done. What you don't want is for your pigs to start multiplying in the pens when you think that they're too young.
One of the things to remember is that we don't enjoy this. Sometimes you see us maybe trying to smile, or I seem to laugh sometimes when I get a little nervous about things, but this is something that we take really seriously, and we really bathe ourselves in prayer before I do this. I pray a lot before I do this because I'm almost always the one that's actually doing the cutting. And so I've done this a lot now, and I've got a little bit of experience under my belt, but it's not something that I ever look forward to. These pigs are 7 weeks old today, over the weekend. And so it's important to note that you can do piglets younger than this. We typically do between 3 and 4 weeks. And one of the things we like to do after we castrate is to put them right back with their mama for at least a few more days, just to make sure that they're healed up. Now with Peter, he's gonna be with us, and he's doing really well already. So obviously you could see that. So yeah.
So just be mindful of the hind end, just keep an eye out on them. One of the things that we try to teach people with pigs especially is pigs are pretty indestructible. I mean, we've had some really bad things happen to the pigs, whether being attacked by other animals, being attacked by their own litter mates. As you see with Peter, just so many different things that pigs are really, really durable. And so just don't give up, don't quit on it. You can do it, it's tough, but you can do it. Like Monica said, bathe it in prayer before you go in for the snip, snip. All right.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep hitting that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime we have other videos come out, even if they're short, sweet, and to the point, educational videos like this one. We are enjoying making these videos for you so that you can live your dream, whatever that may be.
All right. Till next time.
See ya.
Peace. All right. Quiet on the set.
Why don't we just...
So we want to give a disclaimer right off the top that if you are weak stomach, why do you look so tiny?
Well, because
Stand on that
try to
little hole.
switch. There you go.
There you go. If you are weak, if your stomach can't handle seeing blood, you're getting taller.
I am. Okay, now I'm a little taller. Put it on something.
That's what I was trying to find. Oh, it's bugging my hair.
I'm here. See?